Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on subtracting improper fractions. The rule for subtracting improper fractions is the same as the one we used for subtracting simple fractions. When we arrive at the answer, we convert the improper fraction to a mixed number. So example 1, we've got 19 over 7 minus 9 over 7. You notice that the denominators are the same, so we subtract the numerators. So we have 19 minus 9 all over 7. 19 minus 9 is 10, so that gives us 10 over 7. And all we do, we just convert this improper fraction to this mixed number here. 7 into 10 goes once, remainder 3, so the answer is 1 3/7. Now to quickly check that that is correct, all you do is 7 ones are 7, plus 3 is 10, 10 over 7, and we can see that that's correct. Example 2, 26 over 5 minus 7 over 5 minus 8 over 5. All the denominators are the same, so we have 26 minus 7 minus 8 all over 5. 26 minus 7 is 19. 19 minus 8 is 11, so it's 11 over 5. 5 into 11 goes twice, and 1 left over, so it's 2 1/5. 5 2s are 10, plus 1 is 11, 11 over 5. Example 3, 35 over 3 minus 5 over 3 minus 7 over 3 minus 10 over 3. All the denominators are the same, so 35 minus 5 minus 7 minus 10 gives us 13. So if you subtract from left to right, you get 13, so it's 13 over 3. 3 into 13 goes 4 times, and 1 left over, 4 1/3. 3 4s are 12, plus 1 is 13, 13 over 3. Example 4, 41 over 6 minus 7 over 6 minus 11 over 6 minus 17 over 6. All the denominators are the same, so it's 41 minus 7 minus 11 minus 17 all over 6. So when you work that out, from left to right, that gives us 6. So the numerator works out to be 6. Since the denominator is also 6, we know that 6 over 6 equals 1. So this video has continued on from the previous one, where we have seen how to subtract improper fractions which have the same denominator.